defrost board on a heat pump. It was a solid sheet of ice. Now the defrost board is getting ready to replace the defrost board for the heat pump. So again, defrost board for a heat pump. Right. Oh, you awesome. Yeah, set that thing down here. You are rocking, brother. You're saving my knees.
I know, mine the same way.
Tell you what, it's rough on the knees, boss.
Keep an eye on the driveway out the window, please. Keep an eye on the driveway out the window, because if it starts sticking, I got to get that truck down, or we won't nobody be going nowhere. Yeah, back up. Back up.